Hi everyone, welcome to Parnell's Healthier Way. This time Dina will be speaking and sharing a recipe with you. This is what we call our apple pie. It is low in sugar because we don't use any sugar. All we're going to be using are apples. We have 4 apples that we are going to take the skin off and slice up. Again, that's 4. A little bit of the blue agave. We don't need much of this because you get a lot of juice and sweetness from the apples. And then we also have some cinnamon. Again, you need to have your cinnamon when it comes to your apple pie. So I'm going to just preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And once everything is done, it's going to cook for 36 minutes, okay? 36, not 35, but 36. And again, 4 apples. Usually when you make apple pies, you do use the green apples, the Granny Smith, little sour, little tart. So you can use any kind of apples you would like, but I choose these, okay? So I'm going to just deskin everything, slice everything up, and then I'll be back. Okay. All right, just finishing up slicing up all the apples. Again, you peel the skins off. Try and cut them somewhat the same because if some are thicker than others, it'll take a little bit longer and it'll to cook. Okay, so that's done. Here's all the apples. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of the agave. I don't need much because there's a natural taste, of course, with the apples. So I'm just going to sprinkle just a little. Not much at all, really. And then I'm going to just put some cinnamon in. And we actually had cinnamon sticks. And we chopped them up. You can put as much cinnamon in as you like. So, and then we just going to mix it together. And then once I mix it in the bowl, I'm still going to put, when I put it into the pan, I'm going to mix it some more. And then you can kind of see the slices that I may have missed with some of the cinnamon. I'm going to put a little bit more cinnamon on. I like the cinnamon. Okay. And you don't need any spray in the pan because of, again, all the juices from the apples. And there's your 4 apples. We're going to put it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees. For about 35 to 36 minutes, okay? So, let's try this. And then as soon as it's done, I will be back. I'm going to set my alarm, and I'll be back. Timer went off. And here we have our cooked. You can actually even smell the cinnamon, which smells so good right now, especially on this cold winter night. Very, very hot. I am going to taste one, but it's going to be really hot. And you can kind of just see the juices from the apples. Not a lot, but and they're nice and soft. So I'm looking forward to this. All right. I'm just going to take a couple because it's really hot. Okay. Apple pie minus, the crust. Delicious. Doesn't take long at all. Again, as many apples as you want, but this recipe has 4 apples, agave, which is natural sweetener, and cinnamon. 350 degrees for 35 to 36 minutes. Voila, you're done. Enjoy, and as we always say, happy, healthier eating. Enjoy.